Another affordable collecting category is early alarm clocks. These are wind-up clocks. They tick loud, they ring loud, so if you're planning on having an alarm clock by your bed and you're not used to old-fashioned timekeeping and alarm, you might want to think about having one of these that you're actually going to use. But they're great lined up on the wall or on a shelf. They're fun to look at, and they're fun to listen to, too, if you want to hear them ticking. Perhaps the biggest maker of these kinds of alarm clocks, even though they were made by most of the big companies as well, was Westclox. And they made the Baby Ben, the Big Ben, which is perhaps the most famous of these alarm clocks, Baby Ben as well. If you want to learn a lot about these types of books, these types of clocks, there are good books, including this one by Jim Linz about Westclox. So if you start collecting Westclox alarm clocks, you can page through these and probably find your model, find out when it was made, how much it cost, and even how much it might be worth today to collectors. There's other books as well on this subject, and I should probably take this time to mention the Schiffer book publishing company, because they publish this book and many others that cover a lot of collecting areas, including clocks.